There is one question you ask us all the time. What camera do you use? And in today's video, we'll show you what camera and all of the other gear we use for our TikTok videos. We plan to create more videos like this in the future, so subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any of them. Let's get started. This is our main camera setup. We try to keep it as simple as possible so it doesn't slow us down while we're making video. Starting from the top, we have our Rode Video Mic Go 2. That's the mic we use all the time. We don't know much about microphones, but I think it captures everything we need. Now here we have the lens, Canon EF 2470 f2.8. The absolute beast. This lens helps us so much because it's versatile. It allows us to focus on making better videos instead of constantly changing lenses. But to actually use it, you need an adapter, which we have, Viltrox Speed Booster. It makes the image wider and it boosts the f-stops. Without this, the lens would not be as good as it is. And at the end of the lens we have Peter McKinnon ND filter. It is ND and mist filter combined, and it smooths out the video and also adds glow to it. Now finally, the camera we use is... some of you might know this, some of you might not. It is Canon EOS M50. It's just an entry-level beginner camera, yet we are still able to get nice shots with it. And all of this sits in a case from SmallRig. It allows us to put a camera on a tripod without any kind of plate, and we can mount more accessories to the camera as well. The tripod we use is from Vanguard, and this is the gear we use all the time. But now let's head over to our not that frequently used gear, which we still use a lot. We'll start from our GoPro Hero 8. We use it to get first person view, and then we also have Sigma 16mm f1.4, the lens we use for star photography whenever we are in low light or when we need a light wide lens because 2470 is way heavier. Next lens we have is Canon 55 to 250mm f4 to f5.6. Because this lens is 250mm, it is our telephoto lens. Compared to wide lens, you can really see the difference. And of course, we have a drone. To be more specific, DJI Mavic Mini 1. It's not a bad drone, but the footage from it doesn't look good and it's hard to color grade, so that's why we don't use it that much. For the drone, we also have some ND filters. They allow us to shoot in bright conditions. And this is all of the gear we use. Well, we have more gear, but that will be for another video. We hope that we answered all of your questions about what gear we use. We're starting to make more tutorials for you, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comment section down below, or you can DM us on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, have the best day possible, and goodbye.